Hey guys, so I am kind of a mess at the moment. I actually haven't filmed an intro in a very, very long time. The few videos that I put up have been running on pre-filmed stuff. So I'm in my basement, I'm at my polish desk, a little bit of a different setup. It's kind of a mess. There's like baby toys behind me and stuff, but I'm leaving for Polish and Beauty Expo in the morning, and I only have the length of the snap to get this intro filmed and plug it into my video. So my hair is still wet, the whole thing's a disaster. But I'm actually like kind of liking it. I'm kind of liking this slightly more casual way of doing intros, and I think if I continue to do it this way, let me know what you think. I think it's gonna help me get things done a little bit faster. I always am trying to find ways, especially these days, to try to get the videos up a little bit faster without suffering the quality too much. There are some things I've had to change, but it is what it is. So anyway, that's not why you're here. So today I have swatches of the What's Up Nails Gust of Wind collection. These are available right now, so I will link the What's Up Nails website down below. So these polishes are $12.75 a piece or $69.99 for the set of 6 plus the magnet for the magnetic polish. So it's 6 polishes here altogether. Again, I will link that website down below and I will get into the swatches. So the first polish is called Bear Trap, and this is described as a mustard yellow with gold shimmer. This one was a little bit sheer on that first coat, but that's to be expected with a yellow, especially a yellow/shimmer combo. This was very, very even though, like no streaks at all, leveled itself out very nicely. It was really close to being a 2-coat polish for me, but it wasn't quite there, so I did end up adding that 3rd coat, and it did cover completely for me in 3 coats. So that is 3 coats of Bear Trap. The next polish is called Lush Orangery, and this is described as a coral to pink to gold iridescent duochrome shimmer. My nails are looking really rough here also, by the way. It's been a long month. This is so pretty. This was such a surprise for me because I liked it so much more on my nails than I thought I was going to from looking at the bottle. Covers pretty well on the first coat, just a little bit sheer. Really, really good shimmer in this, and it was very even as well. This also has a really great gold flash in lower lighting. I did 2 coats, but I feel like it was close to needing 3, so I wouldn't be surprised if this was 2 or 3 coats, just depending on the person. So that is 2 coats of Lush Orangery. The next polish is called Tuscan Harvest, and this is described as an olive green with iridescent shimmer. This one was a little more sheer and a little more uneven than the previous polishes, but it wasn't bad. It covered really well in the 2nd coat. I did 2, but like the last one, I could have probably justified 3, so I would say this is a 2 or 3 coater, just depending on your application. So that is 2 coats of Tuscan Harvest. The next polish is called Mauver and Shaker, and this is described as a mauve with pink to green iridescent duochrome shimmer. This one was just a little bit sheer on that first coat, but very, very even, and really good formula on this one as well. This also leveled itself out very nicely, and this covered completely in 2 coats. And it was a very solid 2-coater. Some of the previous polishes were like 2 or 3, but this one is a very solid 2 coats. So that is 2 coats of Mauver and Shaker. The next polish is called Night Contrails, and this is described as a dark blue base with teal to purple cat eye effect and green to blue iridescent duochrome shimmer. So this is a magnetic polish. This has a really, really good formula. It covered very well in the first coat, almost completely, but I did add 2 so that I could magnetize that 2nd coat. And I did do that 1 nail at a time. I held the magnet for a little while so the polish could dry in place just a little bit so it didn't immediately dissipate when I moved the magnet. I feel like the magnetic effect combined with the duochrome shift makes this look very, very space-like to me. So for my final photo, I did forget to remagnetize after I put the top coat on, and I lost a little bit of that magnetic effect. So just a little tip if you're using a magnetic polish, once you put your top coat on, hold that magnet over it again, just to make sure that everything stays in place. So that is 2 coats of Night Contrails. And the last polish is called Plumingo Party, and this is described as maroon with pink to orange iridescent duochrome shimmer and small purple flash reflective glitter. This is a beautiful polish. This is a little bit sheer on that first coat, but it has a really good sparkle, and that pink shimmer stands out really nicely. It did cover completely for me in 2 coats. It sparkles really nicely in and outside of flash as well, which I feel like is really important with a flash reflective polish. This is a glitter, and it does dry very textured. So you are going to need a good thick top coat to cover it, and it is going to be more difficult to remove. So that is 2 coats of Plumingo Party. So I have 2 favorites here. I really like Night Contrails. I've been really into magnetic polishes for the last couple of months. They've never really appealed to me, and then all of a sudden one day I just like put one on and the skies opened up. I really like this because that magnetic effect along with that multi-chrome shift creates this really cool like spacey effect on the nails. And then I also really like Lush Orangery, which looking at it in the bottle, I was like, yes, it's pretty polished, but it's not gonna be my favorite. And then once I put it on my nails, I really liked how this one looked on my nails. This was a surprise favorite for me. So that is the What's Up Nails Gust of Wind collection. Again, I will link that website down below where you guys can check these out. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.